In this video, I will be explaining how to solve a quadratic inequality by test point method. In my earlier video, I showed you how to solve this inequality by graph method. In this one, we are going to do this by test point method. So consider the inequality 2x squared plus 5x less than 12. Move the constant to the other sides. So positive 12 will become negative 12. Then we have to factor this. So we will find out the boundary, which is tx squared plus 5x minus 12 equal to 0. Consider this one, which is the boundary of the inequality. So we have to factor this. So we can apply AC method for that. So which is negative 24, 2 times negative 12, and you have to somehow bring in 5. So find out two numbers which multiplies to negative 24 and add up to 5. That will be obviously 8 and negative 3. So we write 2x squared plus 5x. 5x is broken into two parts. It is 8x minus 3x. So 8x minus 3x minus 12. Then it becomes factored by grouping because it has got 4 terms. The first two remove 2x, then it becomes x plus 4 inside. The second you remove negative 3, then it becomes x plus 4 inside. So now x plus 4 is a common factor which can be taken out times 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So this gives us two values of x plus 4 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This gives us x equal to negative 4, one value. The other value is 2x equal to 3, or x will be 3/2. For the next part, we are going to divide the number line into 3 parts using these two numbers negative 4 and 3 by 2. So approximately place the numbers negative 4 and 3 by 2 on the number line in the order. Negative number comes first below the positive number, and then you have a negative infinity at the end, a positive infinity at the end. Here what we are going to do is we are going to take a test point in this interval, test point in this interval, and test point in this interval. And then we are going to plug in into the original inequality and see whether it makes sense or not, whether the inequality is less than 12 or not. So we are going to pick a number. To the left of negative 4, I'm going to pick negative 5. Then I'm going to pick 0 here. Then I'm going to pick, say, 2 here. So let's consider the inequality. Substitute the test point into the inequality. So we get 2 times x square. So negative 5 square plus 5 times negative 5. 5 times negative 5. So it will be 25 times 2, which is 50, minus 25. It is actually, it is equal to 25, which is not less than 12, right? So it's not less than 12. So for the inequality to be true, it should be less than 12. That's what the inequality says here. It should be less than 12. But when we compute the left hand side, it turns out to be more than 12. So 25, so which is more than 12. So this inequality, this part of the interval is not the solution to the inequality. Now let's try the other part, which is negative 4 to 3/2. So we have taken the test point to be the origin. So substitute the test point x equal to 0 into the inequality. So it is 2 times 0 square, 5 times 0. The question is it less than 12? Of course, the left hand side is 0. Is 0 less than 12? Yes. So that means this part is the solution to the problem. Definitely at this point, it's part of the solution. Now let's try the test point x equal to 2 in the last piece. So substitute the test point x equal to 2 into the inequality. So it is 2 times x square, 2 times 2 square, plus 5 times 2. The question is it less than 12? 4 times 2, 8, and this is 10. It's definitely not less than 12, so which is a no. The first one is a no, and therefore this one is not a solution to the problem. So the solution to this inequality is, that is the answer to the problem. The solution is -4 through 3 by 2. Keep in mind, if you have less than or equal to symbol here, instead of less than 12, if you had less than or equal to, then you have to write the solution as -4 through 3 by 2, both ends included, which is bracket -4, bracket 3 halves, both of them closed. Okay. In this case, it's a strict inequality, so it is open parenthesis, open interval, -4 through 3 by 2. Hope this video helps.